Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a Wantable Sleep and Body edit. So this is technically my second Sleep and Body edit. I ordered the first one and put in notes. I told them I wanted loungewear, sleepwear, stuff that could be worn with children around and their friends. It needed to be non-sexy, needed to be very covering and comfy. This is what I received. Although this box that they sent is an excellent overview of all the products that the brand new Wantable Sleep and Body edit offers, it does not at all fulfill my request for kid-friendly, family-friendly sleepwear. I mean, I don't even know what's happening with a few of these options, like this black lingerie thing that came in. I also said I'm very budget conscious. Clothes during the day, let's go. But I'm not gonna spend $100 on pajamas I sleep in at night. So I sent the entire box back. And I told them in my notes, is it possible to have another sleep edit sent without being charged a style fee? And that actually matches the edit request that I placed. You'll have the cutest top and short sets that I keep seeing. Why can't I get those? Don't send me lingerie, don't send me bras, don't send me black, yellow, or red. I really enjoy color. Now, all of these things were on my original, so this box I got that first time was just some new stylist who would just give a really great presentation of all the things that Wantable sends. This is my second box. I've already done a quick peek in. I've already looked at this because I was like, I'm not gonna film another flop. This is not a flop. I'm actually very excited. I haven't touched or tried anything on. So with Wantable Body and Sleep, they have several different frequency options. You decide. I do on-demand boxes. When I want a box, I let them know. There is a $20 style fee that is applied towards your purchase. And if you buy 5 or more items, you get 20% off. There are 0 shipping fees. So in the case like of my last box where I kept nothing and did not feel like they fulfilled, all I did was send them a message and say, I need another box. They did not charge me another style fee, and this guy popped up. They carry sizes extra small through 3X, which they told me is 0 through 24. This is one of the many types of boxes Wantable does. Wantable has a style edit. You can see my Wantable style edit up here. They have Wantable active edits for women and men. You can see a men's active edit right up here. And now we're playing with the new Sleep and Body. One edit gets 7 items inside with a price range of $50 to $100 per item. And the Sleep and Body comes with lingerie, undies, bras, robes, house shoes, sleepwear, and more. So let me show you what I got in my second Wantable Body edit. The first thing on top is this sticker says, this is a set. The weekend pullover and shorts in fawn pink, $58. A top and bottom for $58 is so my cup of tea. In that last box, I got a set that each piece was like $58, and I was thinking, that ain't happening. And love these colors. So we've got this like super oversized cozy top. Love the color, love the pleating in the back. I love that it's longer in the back. I just can't tell if it's a little too long for me. And then here are the shorts, super cute shorts, super stretchy. Love how they hike on the side. Love the cutout on the side. Just, I think my legs are a little too skinny for this look. What do you guys think? Also, I typically don't wear, like these type of shorts, I wear to bed all the time. Big win, thumbs up, yes. I don't typically sleep in a top quite this cumbersome, like that longer back and the long sleeve. I think I would be sweating like crazy. So I do think this is a great loungewear piece. Nailed the loungewear. Just don't know if I would call it sleepwear, and that's what I asked for, some really great sleeping wear. So you guys let me know what you think about this set. Very impressed with the price point. Feel like that part is spot on. Oh yeah, in every box you get a return bag. The things you don't like, you put in the bag, you drop in the mail, and off it goes. Super easy, super quick for you guys. I love bright colors. I freaking love this green. So it has this like patchwork on the side and it's super, super soft. So it's like a mix of this patchwork where it's soft and then regular like sweatpant material. This is by PJ Salvage. Island green. Oh my gosh. It's cotton and polyester. Oh my gosh. And the top, you guys, this is so extremely spring and extremely happy. Like I really do love this. Both of these are size small, which is what I wear. The top is $64 and the bottom is $64. So I, once again, am looking for sleepwear. Right now, it is 80 degrees here in Texas. If I attempted to sleep in this, I would fry, like literally fry. So where I love this, and I'm tempted to keep the top for next season, I probably won't because I need to be shopping for this season, not next season. Plus, it's a little over the budget I set. But I have to say, we're getting a little bit closer to what I requested that first time around. Okay, what else do we have in here? Interesting by Hue Sleepwear. Oh, Hue, I have a bunch of their socks. Their socks are great. Okay, I'm trying to decide how I feel about this print. How do you guys feel about cherry sleepwear? We got cherries on the top and cherries on the bottom. This top and this bottom are both extremely soft, super, super soft. Loving that the material this is made out of. The brush knit boxer PJ set in plume, size small, $44. So we totally got the color, we totally got the price point. Is this cute? Does this make me look cute? Does it make me look fuddy-duddy? I'm not sure if I'm vibing. It's close, but it doesn't feel trendy. I don't know. What are y'all's thoughts? What are y'all's thoughts on the whole? I don't know. I do like, you know, a lot of the sets, they wrinkle. Like they look so cute when you first put them on. Then you wash them. When you pull them out, you're like, oh my gosh, am I supposed to iron my pajamas? Like the collar sticking up. This won't do that. This is one of those materials that will always be soft, that will always look good. I just can't tell on the cuteness factor. Next, we have another set that is extremely soft. Oh my gosh. Super happy. I was hoping it was short sleeve. It's long sleeve again. Dang it. This is so wild, and I freaking love it. It kind of reminds me of something that my grandmother would wear, and that makes my heart happy. It is Bird of Paradise. Love me some Bird of Paradise. Is it the PJ Salvage again? Yes, it is. This is a size small. Freaking love the shorts. Love, love, love. Just cannot do the top. So the top is $64 and the bottoms are $54 even. So like, let's say I just wanted to keep these to sleep in. $50 for sleeping shorts. Which is within the price range. They say they're $50 to $100. So that's not on them. That's on me. That's pretty fancy. I don't know. What are our thoughts? Y'all are going to have to lean into me on this one. And then last but not least, we have seamless bike shorts, heather gray in extra small, $30. These are by Free People. Kind of random feeling, but I like bike shorts a lot. I don't know. How do the bike shorts with like a t-shirt? Is that like more of the Samantha that we're trying to get rid of if I end up in like old shorts and a t-shirt again? I don't know. Okay. I'm just going to wait to hear y'all's thoughts. I'm not going to make a single decision. I'm going to wait to hear what y'all have to say. And maybe y'all are going to say, Samantha, you're sleeping in old t-shirts with holes and paint on them. Yes, spend $50 on the shorts. I'm definitely very pleased that they matched pajamas I can wear in front of children. They matched bringing me color. I don't know if I did a good job. Did I ever mention weather? Nope. I never mentioned weather. Probably should have done a better job of saying, hey, it's already 80 degrees here. I'm in Texas. Don't send me long sleeve and sweatpants. That's on me. And this is kind of the learning curve you go through on a new box with a new stylist. So like this box is somewhat new. So they're still like getting their feet and they know that. They've done a good job of articulating that. Plus I'm a new client in this department. Like, you know, they're having to style me for the first time and we're getting to know each other. That's a little tricky. But every good box, and I say this with pride, every good clothing subscription box will allow you a restyling if they miss it on the first box. If they won't, I would run personally. If I would run, like Wantable has done it, Trunk Club has done it. I can name box after box who I was like, hey, Stitch Fix. I don't even like Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix has done it. They will restyle you because the goal is to make you happy. Okay. Waiting to hear what y'all have to say. Tell me what I should keep, what I shouldn't keep. If you want to give it a try, go down below, grab my URL, whatever latest offer they have will pop up there. And then if you've tried Wantable Body, leave a comment below. Help us all as we're figuring this out. Tell us your thoughts. If you ordered a box, tell us if you ordered a box. That way we can kind of all loop back. And we'll definitely be chatting this out on the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. So go down to the description below to grab that URL to join us, because we're going to find some really great loungewear, chill wear, sleep body wear. I feel like we've nailed out fashion and everyday fashion. We've got that nailed. But what are those in-between pieces if we don't want yoga club, where it's workout clothes, and we don't need like trunk club, front door fashion, Wantable style, like we don't need those. Those are covered. Where's the good sleep loungewear? All right, you guys, I hope that you're having an amazing day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm gonna see you later. Bye, y'all. This totally looks like something I would sleep in and wear in front of an 8 and 10-year-old. What is this? Looks like a bra. So, I feel like from what I'm seeing here, instead of really doing a great job of sending me what I asked for in my style profile, they sent me a little bit of everything that represents a body sleep edit. But here, does anybody else do that with their bra? Like, this is how they put their bra on. This is how I put my bra on. I don't have the ability to. My husband just peeked around the corner like to see if I was taking my clothes off. No, I'm not taking my clothes off. This isn't my style. So I put it on and I walked in front of my hubby and I was like, look at this. And he's like, oh my gosh, it's what you were looking for, but that doesn't look like you at all. And it's not. I wear very petite, girly pinks. The sun and moon and stars look is not like really my look. And so